Hello friends, welcome to my channel and you are watching Super Study C. So today we are going to do chapter 2 and I will explain you chapter 2 to you, which is exponents of maths class 8th, and we will do exercise 2.1 also. Let's start it. So for chapter 2 is exponents. So for chapter 2 there are laws, like if there are odd number of negative signs like minus 2, like here I am giving an example minus 8, or we can say minus 2 into minus 2 into minus 2. So there are 3 minus signs, so we will cut 2 and 1 will be remain same, so here will be here will be minus 8. Then here is like a minus a into minus, like 2 into 2 into minus 2 into minus 2 is equal to, here will be this, then it will be 16, it will be in plus. Then law number 1, here is if we have a n into a m, means the base is same and power is different. This is called base, this is called power. So if the base is same and power is different and we have to multiply, so we will just do we will write the base same, like here a, then we will plus the power like n plus m, like here. Then the answer will be like here the question was 2 power 5 and multiplied 2 power 3, then 2 power 5 plus 3, then 5 plus 3 8, then 2 power 8 then is equals to 28. So here are some examples also, like p power 3 into p power 2, so is equal p power 3 plus power 2 is equal to p power 5. P 4 raised to the power 2 into 4 raised to the power 5 is equal to 4 raised to the power 2 plus raised to the power 5 is equal to 4 raised to the power 7. Then these are all same, like then law number 2. So here a m, like if we have a base, both base are same and power are different, but we have to divide, not multiply, we have to divide. So it will be in minus or subtraction. Like let me give you an example, like here 2 raised to the power 4 divide 2 raised to the power 2, so base will be same, then 4 minus 2, there will be subtraction, so 4 minus 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 2, 4, it can be 4. So 3 raised to the power 5 divided by 3 raised to the power 7, it will be 3 raised to the power 5 minus raised to the power 7 is equal to 3 minus 2, because 5 minus 7 is equals to minus 2. Then here are some examples also, like 2 raised to the power 8 divided by 2 raised to the power 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 8 minus 2 power 2 is equal to 2 raised to the power 6. Then law number 3. So law number 3 is saying that when a raised to the power m is in bracket and n is the whole power, so it will be simply multiply, base will be same, then m multiplied by n, like 3 raised to the power 2 in bracket, then raised to the power 9, so 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to 18, so 3 raised to the power 18. Here also an example, 4 raised to the power 4 in bracket raised to the power 4, 4 for the 16, so 16 4 raised to the power 16. Law number 4. So a raised to the power m multiplied by b raised to the power m is equals to a in multiplied by b raised to the power m, means if we have a different base and power same, like 2 raised to the power 3 multiply by 4 raised to the power 3. Base are different, powers are same, so here multiply. So 2 4 ja 8, then power will be same 3. Like here also 3 raised to the power 2 multiply by 4 raised to the power 2 is equals to 12 raised to the power 2. Law number 5. Here we can say, like, if a's power is 0, like any number can be there, like 100, like 5 power is 0, that will be 1 or equals to 1. Any 1000, lakh, any, then if it has a power 0, then it will be equal to 1. Law number 6. So a minus a raised to the power minus 2 is equals to minus 1 upon a raised to the power 2 is equal to a raised to the power minus 2. Let me give you an example. If the power is in minus, like a minus 1, or let's take 9. So if we want to convert it in plus, so it will be simply 1 upon 9 a, so 1 upon a minus 1, not here will be 1 upon a 9 is equal to a raised to the power minus 9. So this we can convert it, like if there is 2 raised to the power minus 1 upon 3, so we have to convert it in plus power. So here will be 3 upon 2, if 1, so it will be into 1 only, so answer will be same, so 3 upon 2 will be the answer. First question, a part is saying 2 minus m 2 n raised to the power n is equal to 2 minus m minus n. So here was a, but a was not equal to 0 in the question. According to the question, a was not equal to 0, so we have taken 2. When in multiply, so it will be plus, so this is false. We have got the answer, so answer is a. In question 2, here 2 raised to the power minus 3 and minus 2, so here will be multiply 2 minus 3 multiply by minus 2, so cancel. 2 raised to the power 6 and 6 means 2 into 2 multiply by 2, then multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4, 16 into 4, so 16 into 4, so 64, 4 multiply by 6, here we will multiply, so 64 is the answer, so answer is B. Question 3rd. So question 3rd, evaluate. A, evaluate. So we have to evaluate. First A part is saying minus 3 upon 4 raised to the power minus 1. So it is will be minus 1. So we have to first convert it into positive. So 4 upon minus 3. So answer is 4 upon minus 3. Then B part. 3 upon 7 raised to the power minus 1 multiplied by 4 raised to the power 4 upon 5 raised to the power 1 is equal to 7 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon 4 is equal to 35/12. Question 4. So question 4, express has a power ratio. So a part 8 raised to the power 6 multiplied by 8 raised to the power minus 5. So here is base is same and power are different. So here we will apply this rule. Law number 2 means here, because base is same, sorry, we will apply law number 1. Base is same, power is different, we have to multiply, so powers will be plus. So here 8 6 plus minus 5, then 8 plus minus 6 minus 5 raised to the power, then is equal to 8. 6 minus 5 is 1, so is equal to 8. Answer is 8. B part 4/5 minus 2 4. So here we will apply law number 3 here, because base is here and we have to multiply the powers, it is in bracket. So here we will apply law number 3. So here 4/5 minus 2 multiplied by 4/5 minus 8 is equal to 4/5 minus 8 is equal to 5/4 raised to the power 8, because we have to. So in this question we have to in fourth question we have to do all the powers in positive. So we have done in this also positive, this is positive, not negative. So let's do question 5. So question 5, a part -7/3 to 5. So it will be same of this question. This will be same of this question. So here we are going to do -7/3 to multiply by 5, then -7/3 10 raised to the power 10, and we have to convert it in minus, means negative. So here will be 3/-7 raised to the power -10. That's it. 6. Simplify. So a part -3/4 minus 5 divide -3/4 minus 3 divide. So here will be minus. This rule will be there, rule number 2. So here 4 5 minus 3 upon 4 minus 5 plus 3 minus 3/4 minus 2. is equal to 4 upon minus 3 raised to the power 2. Question number 7. A. Minus 3 upon 4. 2 minus 3. So here we will multiply minus 3 upon 4, 2 multiplied by minus 3, minus 6, then equals to 4 upon minus 3 raised to the power 6. So question 8. Evaluate. Hey, 5 minus 1 divide 4 minus 1 power 3. Multiply means if you want, so first we will do divide 1 upon 4, then we will be multiplying here 1 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 1, 3, 4 upon 5 power 3. Answer is 4 upon 5 power 3. B part. Smile. So 3 upon 2 multiplied by 4 upon 3 minus 1, 6, 12 minus 1 is equal to 6 upon 12, 1 is equal to 6 upon 12. The answer. So I hope you like the video. This much is fine for today's video. So I am going to make a stop motion too. वो भी जल्दी ही आएगा if you want. So I will upload it as soon as I can. So it would be a short film of stop motion. So till then, take care. Bye bye.